Hey, what's up folks? Welcome to your second JavaScript ES5 and ES6 tutorial for the beginners. In this tutorial, we'll discuss about REST JavaScript ES5 concept like map, reduce write, sum and JavaScript trim concept. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Well, hello, my name is Atiq Ahmed. I'm here because I love to give the presentations. Beside all the details giving at my blog at cosec.com, more details also you can find me at my website atiqahmed.com. Alright, so let's start with the map concept in JavaScript. So I have declared an array. My array contains the age which is 22, 21, 33, 43, 65, 12, 10 and 9. And I am having a function here check adult, and I am passing this array here, and I am doing age.map of my function name, and if my age is greater than is equal to 30, then it's basically returning the age, or else is basically returning the 0. So let me go and run the particular file. So you can see that I am getting here 33, 43 and 65. Why is that? Because from this array I have only 3 numbers which is greater than 30. The numbers are 33, 43 and 65. If it is not matching this condition, it's returning the 0. So for that reason the rest condition is coming as a 0. Alright. So let's go and discuss about the reduce concept in JavaScript. So here similar way I have declared an array and my function name is my function, and I am doing array name dot reduce and I am calling this function. So let's execute the function first. So you can see the output in the console, right? So how it is coming? What is 22 and 21? So JavaScript reduce function is basically used to take the data from the left hand side. So first it will take 22 and 21, so which is total and value. Then it basically adding up 22 plus 21, which is 43. So in the next line you will get the 43. Then the next number it will take 33, which is 43 and 33. Then it will basically adding up these three numbers, which is 22, 21 and 33, which is 76. Then it will take the next number, which is 43 and so on. Alright, so let's discuss about the next topic now, which is reduce write in JavaScript. So here also similar way I have declared an array, and my array contains certain of numbers, and I have a function. My function name is my function, and I am doing array dot reduce write, and I am calling this function. So what reduce write is do, it basically takes the number from the right hand side. So let me go and run the program now. So here you can see that first it will take 9 and 10, then it will be adding up these two number, which is 19, then it will take the next number, which is 12, then it will be adding up these three numbers, which is 31, then it will basically taking this number 65. So reduce write is basically taking the data from the right hand side, and reduce is basically taking the data from the left hand side. Alright, so let's go and jump to the next topic, which is JavaScript sum. So here also similar way I have declared an array, and my array contains certain numbers, which is 33, 43, 65 and 22, and I have a function which basically checking the check adult, and I am doing array.sum and I am calling the function. So let me go and run the program first by saying node is sum.js. So here you can see that the result is true. Why is that? Because from this particular array some number is already present which is greater than 30, right? So if I do here as 22 or 21, 19, 10, so from this array there are no number which exist more than 30, so the output has to come as false, right? So let's go and run the program. So you can see that the output is false. So if I make it here 30, if I run it again, the output will be true. Alright. So the next concept is JavaScript trim, which is the last and not the least in ES6.5. So what it does basically, so let me go and run the program first. So you can see that it basically gives me the output of hello world. So say for example, if you have a string which basically includes some certain space to the front and to the back, if you use the trim function, what it does, it's eliminating the space from the front and back from your string and it gives you the output. So you can see that I don't have any space here, neither in the front nor in the back. Alright. So you will get this code from my GitHub account. So this is my GitHub account and I'll put the link in the description box below. So I have a organization as well. Please let me know your GitHub user ID so I can add you here itself. And each and every week I'm basically adding up new projects. You can come and you can explore any times. And about this project, you can come to this repo. You can search here interview preparation kit. So this is a project, you will get all the codes from here itself. Alright. So if you do like my profile, you can come to my GitHub and you can follow me, and I'll be introducing you a new concept each and every week, so you'll be get notified. Alright. So in this tutorial we have discussed about JavaScript map, reduce, reduce write, sum, trim concept in ES6.5. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this playlist. I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial where we will discuss about JavaScript ES6 concept. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel to get more video updates. Thank you guys.